Oh, fall. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. He was a fighter. He was a guerrilla. He was a fighter.
Hello, Mzanyi. Do you remember the funeral influencer Lady Moses, the man who used to dance at funerals and entertain people on TikTok as well as Facebook? His real name is Moses Sibiya. He became famous for turning funerals into fun events. People loved his moves, his outfits, and how he made people laugh. But now things changed in 2024. Lady Mo said he is now a born-again Christian. He apologized for his past and said he was not himself before. He even said he was under a demonic spell. Now he wants to be a pastor and he goes by the name Pastor Moses Gandaganda. That did not last for too long, Mzansi. This year, 2025, Metro FM Awards. I saw Lady Mo dancing on the pole, busy with Lami's Holworthy, turning nail spray down. So, yeah, I guess. So, right now, he made a video because someone took a video while he was intoxicated and he had things to say about people. He dropped some names. So, he came right now just to rectify that mistake. He is apologizing, for calling out people and, just saying mean things about them. This is something that Scott Mapoma could learn.
Tomorrow, with the biggest housewife of South Africa. There is no housewife. Lami's baby man. Housewife. Winnie China's wife. I love Lami with my whole heart. Yes.
Hello, Lamis. Intombi limama le Real Housewife. Umama ka boy. Hayi, umfazi washela ukhulitshana, umfazi uphekela ukhuli. Hawu intombazane elungile, eshaya isFrench, eshaya islamizi, intombazane edisheyayo, inyakatisa crowd. I said thank you my sister for ukuthi ungirecognize as a person. I said God must bless you more and more. uNkulunkulu akumold akuphe izimali eziningi angazi yazi I don't know ukuthi akuphe iphi imali ngoba amadola sesi already so nawo amabhillion nawo. Yo, akukho ama-trillion ke. Akuzama ama-trillion sesi. I love your spirits. You sesi yazi. Yo, ngende umuntu ke. Kutsana nyani. Tsana bingenza lapho umthona uzokuvakashela. God bless you. Hello, Mrs. College.
I just want to apologize to those people that I offended because guys, sometimes I call that that offline in a society guys, and I'm gonna video I posted guys talking about Mr. Mbatsane, Uzakele. So guys, I just want to say sorry. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu Mr. Mbatsane. Ngiyaxolisa ngixolisa kini nonke lelikhona ngamunye bodudu to this kitchen Kiriboni Mkabela, each and every one of you guys guys ningasabi guys ukusebenzisana kanye nami ma brand la sakhona la safuna kusebenzisana nami akethe guys ma bookings guys you know guys emhlabeni kuhlala kunetitsa as you know kuhlala kunebantu lababheka eceleni kuhlala abantu abafuna ma negative ma disadvantages about your life. So guys you know what sibonge konke sibonge nakusesipindi the real queen kongela kwendawo guys kuningi kakhulu enakwathi nani and lelengenzi ngivukile nikwathi guys. So guys ngithi yekelani kungisesha indzaba ejwayele nangitsakiwe as you know guys ngiyakhuluma ngumuntu wemedia. So yekelani kungishoot into lethi offline seniyapost guys ungamoshela omnye umntwana abantu sinkwa sakhe guys because la mhlabeni i-social media ingakwakha iphinza ikubhidlile. So each and every person, especially Mr. Batsana, as I mentioned your name yesterday, Mametro, Sbolamizi, thank you so much for recognizing me, for putting me on the platform. So guys, I'm sincerely sorry guys. Inkinga guys sengiholile inkinga guys bengaka go check statement hola ngole kucala guys ngahola Saturday. So we say sorry guys. Xolisa na to group RMT ngixolisa konke guys kuwonke umuntu lengingam-offenda la ngaye ngam-offenda maybe ngingaboni or lengamnyathela wrong guys. Azizameni ukuthi nasibantu labamnyama siphakamisaneni singafuni ukudestroyana because this is life. Namhla ngimi kusasa nguwe guys, I'm saying kuyo yonke South Africa, I'm saying apology ngiyamthanda nonke ngithi chubekani support Lady Mo because Moscow is coming, it's on the way. Label yam guys Moscow ilizeni ngiyamthanda nonke ngithanda kufa into ngiyadi mathokelo kaza sichubeka endiwe madunisele bunganyukani rip ngema bookings guys. Thank you so much. Nathi ukuthi ningithola kuphi ningithola lapha ku the real queen. Ngeke nizimphindile nahlukanisa mina the real queen ngeke likhona guys noma ngathi ngizama ngatotoketa indlela but you will never ever
Skribon singezet. Hlandile ngendakunge ngacaciseka konke lezinto lezi. Lokho ndiba konje sisengwendile because basingehlani.
Yeah.
But I was living my life.
Yeah.
Yabona into lengijabulisile kakhulu when I came out. People loved the new Moses.
Yes.
They appreciated the new Moses. So I Kalipas ngicabanga ngathi why singihlala ngishaya imali nyalo. Singihlala ngishaya imali qobo lesi serious.
Siyabhuka ngithi
Njengoba nyalo ngibhukhiwa.
kubani?
Ngibona ngibhukha kulo muhle wase MP.
Ku Facebook
Naku TikTok uyabhala, ku Facebook uyabhala, nenamba yethu ikhona, sidonishela yona nje njengoba nesitophuma sidonishela yona.
Okay.
Yes.
Now lenye indzaba lefikile ukuthi uyathanda ukucula, that's why unengoma angithi. Thina ama video la sivamise ukubona khona ukuma funerals uyacula kamnandi.
Yes.
But people are saying you're making people laugh when people are in mourning, when people are in pain, and that you should stop guya guma. Yeah.
Okay.
What do you have to say about that?
No, Sister Bonnie, during my trending things of the funerals, I've never had a problem. Imdeni ukuthi namnye umdeni lokho approach after a funeral, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.